Hello students, today I'll be giving my lecture on scanner class as a special request from all the students who are appearing for the 10th board. So let's have a fast recap on scanner class. Scanner class is a class which exists in util package. It helps us to input data from the console. We can take the value as input from the files also, but file input is out of your scope of the syllabus, so I will not be covering up that. Scanner as a portion for the 10th standard, you have only scanner class, the package in which it exists, and the different has functions, different next functions which will help you to input different types of data from the console, and a very simple program based on the scanner. So a scanner is a class which exists in util package. The advantage of using scanner class is that scanner converts each data before the space as one token. Like for example, if you are taking input hello everyone, so hello is one token, every is another token, one is the last token. It takes space as the delimiters. It means whenever the space occurs, it consider one token. The next before the space another token, the last after the space next token. So it will keep on taking the values as next. Okay, so the delimiters you can change. By default it is always space, that is known as white space in any programming language. And you have different functions through which you can divide the data into different data types. You need not to have the conversion function as we have the input stream reader. Here you will be taking the data in the form of data itself. Like for example, if you are taking integer data as an input, it will read the token as an integer type, double type, boolean type, word, sentences, all. Now I'll be showing you different functions which will check which type of tokens do you have. All the functions which will start with has word will return a boolean type of result. So I will not be telling you this again and again. All has function will return a boolean type of value, that is either true or false. So to store the result, you have to take the variable of boolean type, or you can use that particular function, has function, with the different data types in your while loop. Now these are the different functions which will help you to read different types of values from the console. Next boolean will help you to read a boolean value. Next line will help you to read a whole sentence till you don't press enter. The moment you press enter key while inputting the data, computer will consider that as a different line and it will stop taking the input. Next int will help you to read an integer value from the console. The similar way, you have float, you have double, you have long, you have next string will not be working with BlueJ. You have next function. Next function helps you to read one token, one word. Even if you are inputting the whole sentence, it will be considering only the first word of the sentence as the token. Next line will help you to read the whole sentence. Till you don't press enter key, the input data is considered as one line. Now you have the way you are having next boolean, next float, next integer, next long, next double, next line. You have different has next function. Has next function will help you to check whether any more tokens are left in the inputted data by you. Has next boolean will be returning a boolean result. Has next int will check whether the next token is integer or not. Has next long will check whether the value you have taken as a long value or not. has next double will check whether the next token is a double type of data or not. Has next will check whether any more tokens are left in that particular input or not. Has next line will check whether you have some more lines in the inputted data or not. Now I'll be showing you all these functions. I have tried to incorporate all these functions in a BlueJ program. So we'll be I'll be showing you a program and then the way to use different functions of scanner class through that program. The first line is import java.util.star. Util is the package in which the scanner class exists, and star is for all the classes of util package. You can write instead of star scanner also, since you know that you are going to use the functions of scanner class. So there is no need to put star. Now I have created an object for the scanner class over here, sc. If you will notice over here, sc is equals to new scanner system.in. System.in is to take the input from the console. I have tried to display a message what exactly the user should input. So I have written enter any sentence. Here I'll be inputting a sentence. Since I have used the function next, which is used only for a single token, the computer will print only the first token inputted by you, or whichever word will be the first word of the sentence will get printed because of the next function. Then over here I have used next line function. Next line function is used to enter multiple sentences. Whenever you press enter key, it will terminate the input. Now sc.close will help you to close the scanner class. Then over here I have tried to show you has next function, like it will keep on executing this particular block till the last token of the inputted sentence is left. Now I have already compiled this program, so there are no errors. I'll just show you how to execute this particular program. Enter any sentence. I have I have inputted hello everyone, which has 3 tokens in it, but since I have used sc.next, it will print me only hello. See, did you check that? I have used next function, so the first printing is for the next, sc.next, so it is hello. And then next again I have used enter in sentence. This is not working because I have already given the input of a sentence, and hello was taken as the next token, and after that whatever is left is everyone. I'll just show you what exactly I had used, for which you are getting the everyone function. See, here you use next line. So next printed the first word, which was hello. Next line printed the remaining tokens of that particular sentence which you had inputted. Now over here I have closed the scanner class, and then I have created another object for the scanner class. Now this is a different way of passing the values. I have not used system.in. It means I am not taking input from the console. I am giving the value on my own. So over here I have written 12, hello, 2.6, false, by. If you will notice, I have used different types of values over here. The purpose of this particular statement was to show you how exactly hasNext function will work and how computer helps you to read different types of tokens. Next is not based on any data type. Next is just for the next token, irrespective of its data type. The first token is integer type, but next will read only 12. Next hello, next 2.6, next false, next by is going to print each token on different lines. I'll just show you the output which we got after executing this line. From here, if you notice, from this to this is from the hasNext function. The first token was 12, the next token was hello, the next one was 2.6, this is false, and this is by. So this is how exactly the scanner class works, students. Now, the only thing you need to remember is that in the package in which it exists, that is util, the different kind of different types of next function which will help you to read different types of data value. Then you have the has next function to check whether any more tokens are left or not. I'll just show you one more thing over here. One sec. I will show you one more thing over here is how exactly next line works. SC.next line. Oh yeah, perfect. Now I'll show you how exactly next line works. As I said, next line, the moment you press enter key on the console, the computer will terminate the input. Now see this, I'll just compile this particular program. Okay, you got no errors. Now I'll minimize this and I will execute void main. Okay, enter any sentence. I'll say any sentence, I'll enter. And I will press enter. Did you see that? It like the moment I pressed enter key, I got the output. It means it didn't allow me to enter any more sentences. So next line will help you to read the whole string. Next will help you to have only, even if you are inputting the whole sentence, it will just give you the first token of the sentence. And these were the, like, this was the part of the function, like, where I have shown you has next. So you are not concerned with, like, I'm not trying to show you this particular result. I just wanted to show you how exactly next line function works. So this brings end to your scanner class. You just remember one very important thing, until and unless it has not been mentioned in your paper that you can use scanner class, students, do avoid using scanner class. You will be using input stream reader, buffer reader classes for your normal process of input. They might ask you to use scanner class in any one of the program. So out of 4 programs, if they they ask such kind of things to do, then you will attempt any one program using scanner class. Thank you.